Yeah, how are you guys? This is your guy, the Bosco, and today I want to show you how you can add a stop loss and a take profit into a deriv bot. And without wasting time, let me show you how it is. These things are simple. I want to start with the basics, then I'll go on posting more videos on how to make more complicated bots. So first things first, let me show you how you can add a stop loss and a take profit to your bot. All I want for you guys, show me some love by subscribing to my channel, and I promise I will be bringing more content like this one, yeah, to help you so that people cannot take advantage of you. If you have a laptop, these things are easy to do. So without wasting time, just show me some love by subscribing and maybe commenting the next strategy you want me to implement in a bot. So first things first, I want us to delete this cell condition. Yeah, like that way. And because most of you like trading digits, I'll come here and we we can leave it at both for the time being. So first things first, when you come to creating your bot, you need to create the variables that you want to use in that bot. So first I want us to create a variable by the name stop loss. That way you create then create another name by the name take profit. Yeah, create another by the name take profit that way, and you create then create another variable by the name stake, and you create. So you need to come here, drag this and paste here at run once at start, then come here to math, drag this 0 to that, then maybe you want a stop loss of maybe 5 to stop at 5. So come here to duplicate this that way and name that variable your take profit. You want to able to, you can make this be your take profit and this to be our stop loss that way. Then duplicate also this and now set your stake that way, guys. Maybe you want to stake like $2, but then just by doing that, it does not mean that the bot will obey this. It will not obey this. You have to put some logic in this bot so that it can obey whatever thing you're commanding it to do. So before doing anything else, let's come here to variable stake, this one, and we put it there. I hope you're together. You come and put it there. So the reason I've put it there is it's so that anytime you put your prediction here, it will automatically. Anytime you put your stake here, you do not need to come here and change. It will automatically reflect at that place. So prediction 1, let's move over 2. Yes. And then let's put our logic. Let's come here to logic. We need to drag this, the if statement, then come back again and we need to compare. We need to compare, drag that. Then what are we comparing? Go to stats. We need to compare the total profit or loss. That way. Then come here. If the total profit or loss it's greater. I think you've seen what I've done. This side, the last one, it's greater than what? Than our variable take profit. Yes, than our variable take profit that way. If total profit or loss is greater than or equal to our take profit, then what should happen? I think we should print something. We should print something. Yeah, drag this, come and just that, guys. These things are simple. So you can paste something like Bosco printed dollars successfully. Yeah, that way. I hope you're together up to that. Like creating the take profit block, it's easier than creating the stop loss block. And with that, imagine you're done with the take profit block. So what we'll do next, we'll have to come here, I delete this. I want us to duplicate the whole block. I want us to duplicate the whole block. Sorry for that. The whole block. Then we need to drag this. Need to drag this. Need to drag that. Then we need to compare something because the value held here, it's always a positive one. We need to make sure it is a negative value. Let me show you what I mean by that. So very fast, very fast, we come to maths, and drag that. Take this, take profit, come here. The number you must multiply it by what? By -1. That way. Then come drag this, return it there. Like these things are just simple like that, guys. So if the total profit or loss it's greater than what? Now we must change this to a stop loss. If the total profit or loss is greater or equal to stop loss, then what? We must print something. We must print something here. Maybe stop loss hit that way. It's just like that, guys. So we'll come here and do what? And merge those two blocks that way. Then we come here and we drag that one, and we drag this here that way. Then I want you to take a lot of keen interest here. If we can put our trade again here and we run our bot, the bot after hitting maybe either our stop loss or our take profit, let me learn and see what I'm telling you guys. You see, you input validation fake parameter selected, take. That is what I'm telling you. So just by doing that, it does not mean the bot, it does not mean that you are done with the bot. Let me show you what we'll do next. So we'll need to come here on this plus icon. You plus it, yeah, twice. I think you've seen what I've done. Maybe I can, yeah, I've done this plus button. I added and then added again. Yes, and then added again like that. So I need to come here need to come to, I need to drag this to here, if else if there, then come here and drag. I just want to drag this there. Then you don't need this block again, we delete. Then come and take this there. Yes, a prediction of part 2. Yes, so let's run and see if the board is going to learn. I think you can see. Yes, over, you see. So let's stop. I want to confirm if the stop loss is. So let's first confirm the take profit. Maybe just target something small like 0.10 and we run it. Let's see. Boom, you see, like both printed dollars successively. Then after say okay, the boat stops, it does not continue. And that's why I have told you to do whatever thing I've shown you. Let's now test our stop loss. Come here to stop loss. We also want a stop loss off. Let's put the same thing like that, and we can play over it, because that is very over it like that, and we learn. You see, stop loss hit. Then when you say okay, the boat stops, the boat does not continue. I think we're together up to that point. Like, it's just that simple. Make sure you go slowly, go pausing the video until you understand this thing. The next video I'll be dropping, it's about adding martingale. So just show me some love by supporting me, guys, and liking and commenting the other strategy you want me, or the logic you want me to put in a boat, and I'll be much happy for that. So show some love, like, share, comment, subscribe. Yeah, you keep me motivated. So until next time, guys, this is your guy, the Bosco. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Peace out, guys.